Okay, so today we're going to be doing an activity called blocking shadows. What I have here are just some materials you may have at your home. You can use anything you have at your home. I just grabbed a tissue box, a Tupperware lid. I have a book here, and I have a pencil, a crayon, again another little Tupperware container, and then a container that we use to hold stuff here in the classroom. But again, any materials that you have at home are going to work great. I also need a flashlight for this.
Or a lamp.
Or a lamp, or some sort of light source so you can make these shadows. So what we're going to use here, I have a wall. I just, again, any wall you have at your home that has, I guess, nothing on it, a little just clear space, it will be great. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your light source. I have my flashlight here as my light source. What you're going to do is you or your child can take turns. What you can do is hold a shape in front of the flashlight and see how the shadow reflects on the wall. So you can talk about how when we move the object closer to the light source, it gets bigger, and when we move it further away, it gets smaller. You can talk to your child about how these shapes change when you move the light closer and further away. So again, we can talk about shapes with this small group. So I have a book. This book has 4 sides all the same, so that would be a square. So I'm just going to grab another object here. So again, I have my light source, and I'm going to use my Tupperware lid. What shape is this Tupperware lid?
Circle.
Oh yes, it is a circle. A circle is round and has no straight sides. So again, you can practice moving that object closer to the light and see how it gets bigger on the wall. And you can move it further away from the light and it gets smaller. Notice how the shape stays the same, it just gets bigger and smaller. Okay, so then again I'm going to try my tissue box. My tissue box has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. What shape would that be if it has 2 long and 2 short?
A rectangle.
That is right. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So you can take your tissue box and again move it closer to the light source. See how I'm moving my hand closer to the flashlight or your lamp. If you have a lamp and you're looking down, you can also make these shadows on the floor. So you can get closer or lower to the ground, and these shadows can go on the floor or again on the wall. So we have a rectangle, which is 2 long sides and 2 short sides. My next object that I have is just a paper cup. You might have these cups at home. You might have something similar to this, maybe a drinking cup or a mug, something like that. Again, anything at home works. So I have my shape, I'm getting closer, and the object is getting bigger, and then as I pull it away, it's getting smaller. Again, talk with your child about shapes. They can also use their hand. You can talk about making shadow puppets. Talk about how you can move your fingers and make different objects. When you bring your hand closer, my hand gets bigger, and when I bring it further away, it gets smaller. So again, today we're talking about using any household items that you have, a flashlight or a light source, and making block shadows with the light.